Hello, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're a regular here, nice to see you again. If you're not a regular, hi, my name is Holly. I do a bunch of Disney and other lifestyle content. So if that's your jam, make sure you subscribe down below to come hang out with me more. But today I have a big old box lunch haul, you guys. When I say big, I mean this. This is the haul I have for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. I have three new Loungeflys for you guys to see, and I'm so excited. So the first one is available on Boxlunch, but that is not where I got it. I actually got it from my friend Zoe. I don't remember how she acquired it, but I know she was able to get it for like a really deep discount or something, and she actually already had it. Maybe she won it. I don't know. I don't remember the whole story, but it is this amazing Muses backpack. It's this gorgeous kind of super light pink, almost like tannish color. I just realized there's some this is so funny. I think either my or her cats got to it, because there is actually a super tiny, I don't know if you guys can see, but like 4 claw marks. I think a kitty scratched it, which is funny. I mean, I don't really care because I'm not going to be reselling it or anything. I'm going to be keeping it for myself, but that's pretty funny. So it says the Muses on the bottom. It's got them leaping across right here. It's got a nice long zipper. Don't really know what you could use that for other than, I don't know, a magic band maybe. Then we've got the Muses right here with all of their names, which is so fun. Oh, this is actually a Danielle Nicole, not a Loungefly. I'm so sorry about that. So this is a Danielle Nicole bag. And then on the inside, yeah, it's just the regular Danielle Nicole print. She doesn't normally do anything super fun inside. But then it's got some side pockets, which is great. And yeah, I can't wait to do a Muses bound with this bag. I think that would just be the most fun ever. So next up, I have this gorgeous Loungefly I got with Box Lunch money. This is an Alice in Wonderland themed bag. It is a very nice size. It's definitely one of the bigger mini backpacks that Loungefly does. And it's got this really beautiful light blue and purpley kind of color to it. And then we have Alice sitting in her glass bottle. Oh, whoops. Okay, so the cardboard, oh my gosh. So there was cardboard like this behind it, and then it fell off. And I realized it has all of the little animals that are running around the fire to dry off. So cute. I normally don't like when they don't have kind of the original animation on the bags, but I feel like people reinterpret Alice in Wonderland a lot, and I just thought this was really pretty, so I got it mainly also because I don't have an Alice in Wonderland bag. So I try and get bags from lots of different movies so I can do lots of different bounds, and I'm really happy to have an Alice bag. So it's got a big zipper here. It's got silver hardware. Oh, the inside is really cute. Let me open the big pocket so you guys can see. This also does have the super handy side pockets for your phone. And the inside is just kind of a recreation of the print that's on the front and back of the bags, but it's in like a light blue and black, which is still really gorgeous. And it does have a zipper pocket in the back of the bag as well. So basically got this little Loungefly for 50% off with my box lunch money, so I'm not mad about it. And the last Loungefly, hold on, I need to take it out of its packaging. This Loungefly I am so excited about. I absolutely love Mulan, and this bag's coloring is stunning. So I have this gorgeous pink and purple Mulan bag. We've got the cherry blossoms up here, this gorgeous dark red plaque, the little like family shrine up here. We've got Mulan looking as stunning as ever in her geisha makeup. And then we've got Cricky over here for good luck. So cute. Some of the bags, some of the flowers right here are actually embroidered, which is a nice detail. And then it's got a gorgeous gold hardware. The back of the bag, is this the symbol of her family? I'm not 100% sure, so I'm sorry. But we've got a little symbol here. And then again, it does have side pockets. Loungefly kind of got rid of these for a while, and I feel like most of their bags have them again, thank God, because they're super handy for carrying your phone. And then on the inside, oh wow. On the inside, it's literally just plain pink. So they really didn't do anything fun with this one, which is sad, but that's okay. So yeah, I can't wait to do a Mulan bound in this. So much fun. It's just such a pretty bag. All right, next up, I've got two Star Wars t-shirts. So is it just 2 or is it 3? What is this? I don't even remember what I bought. Oh, that's okay. Okay, yes. So I've got 3 t-shirts. 2 of them are Star Wars. The first one is this awesome, like kind of tie-dye slash bleach dye looking Sith Lord shirt. So it's red and black. It says Sith Lord in this really fun drippy font. And then we have the symbol of the Sith right here. And this is like the super soft t-shirt material. So love that. And I got this in a large. And this is by Our Universe. And I got it in a large so it would be a little bit oversized. So love this shirt. Love it, love it. Then, y'all, this is one of the all over print cake worthy tees, and it's all of the OG trilogy characters, not all of them, but a lot of them. Look how freaking fun this is. It's got Yoda, R2, Obi-Wan, C-3PO. It's got Chewbacca and Luke, and did I say Yoda and Han and Boba Fett and Darth Vader and Stormtroopers? Like, it is just everyone. I love that Chewbacca has like this big shining moment on the back here. That's awesome. And then Leia is kind of the shining moment on the front. How fun. Oh, I love this. I cannot wait to wear this while we watch the new Obi-Wan series. Then I have one more shirt, also kind of a tie-dye print, and I mainly bought this because, you guys, I'm so ready for Halloween. You have no idea. I am ready to just jump right to Halloween, but this says, keeping it creepy, and it has Mr. Jack Skellington on it, and then it's got like a fun, super like soft tie-dye to it, soft bleached tie-dye look, so obsessed with this guy. So much fun. Also got this in a large if I didn't already say that. I like my shirts to be a little bit oversized, so most t-shirts I buy in a large or an extra large. These next items are actually from Amazon, and I can't remember who influenced me to buy them, but I know it was someone on Instagram. I bought every single pack they had. So these are some super fun crew socks, and I will try and find them again and leave them in the description below for you guys. So this pack came with Pooh, which he is just prominently featured on the ankle of the sock, and then there's little stripes on the bottom. So it came with Pooh, Minnie Mouse, which is super fun. We've got Donald and Daisy. This also came with a pair that was Mickey, but I've worn them and they're somewhere either in the laundry or in my sock drawer. But just so you know, this also comes with a pack or a pair that's Mickey. And then I have a couple that I actually haven't opened. So this is another set, and these are smaller. They are not as they're not as high. These are more of like an ankle sock, but they've still got like a little bit that goes up the ankle. So these are Mickey, and then they say Mickey on them. Super cute. I've got Minnie. I've got Donald. Daisy. And kind of random, but I still love it, Olaf. Kind of like Pooh was the rando in the last one. This one has Olaf. And then last but certainly not least, another pack of socks. And these are really fun. These are a little bit taller like the first ones, but they're an all over print. So this one is Mickey. Seriously, these are so cute, you guys. I cannot wait to wear these at the parks. Then we have Minnie, Donald again. So freaking cute. Daisy. I love the kind of like Letterman font, very sporty and fun. And then we've got Pooh again. So adorable socks, you guys. Literally so much fun. I cannot wait to wear those in the parks. All right, and last but certainly not least, I've got quite a few accessories and they're small, so I'm gonna scoot up. First, I got these amazing Disney Villains nail stickers and they are heat reveal. So as you can see, they are all the Disney villains and then they're just plain black, but when they get hot, they reveal these different images, which I thought was so much fun. And I really like that they're plain black. So I think what I'm gonna do is get a pair of super plain glue-on nails and then I'll put these on top of those just because my regular nails are really like gross, honestly. And wear these to the parks and they'll pretty much match everything because they'll mainly be black, but then every once in a while you can get them a little hot and, you know, have a little fun reveal, which is super cute, I think. Then these were actually from a Boxlunch order I placed a while back, but they were back ordered. So I had to wait for them to come in, but it was worth the wait because these are adorable. This is a pack of 3 pairs of Mickey hoop earrings. So they're all Mickey shapes, but there's a little small pair, a medium pair, and a big pair. And these were $12. So I feel like 3 pairs of earrings for $12 really isn't bad. But I thought these would be really cute. I feel like you can honestly add these to any Disney outfit because they're so simple. And Mickey goes with everyone, everything. So yeah, I thought these would be really fun to wear in the parks. And I just thought they were super cute, so I bought them. I also got a pair of Star Wars stud earrings. And these are actually a lot smaller than I thought, but they're still really cute and dainty. So this is a pair of two pairs of studs. We've got Dio and we've got BB-8. And what I thought was fun is either you can wear both of the Dios or wear both of the BB-8s, or they are not like so crazy different where you could wear one of each in each ear, and that would also be super cute if you're just doing kind of a droid themed outfit. So I thought those were super cute and fun, and figured I would get them. I keep justifying these purchases, but we all know that I just wanted everything. I thought it was cute, that's why I bought it. So last pair of earrings from Boxlunch. These are so stunning. I love these. This set was $12.90 and it is Winnie the Pooh themed. So we've got 2 little honey pots with this little bead to make it look like there's honey dripping, which I thought was so cute. And then I love these little hoops that have a bee with some honey dripping down as well. I feel like chunky hoops are really in right now, so I love these, and I feel like they're just such like a fun little dainty add to any outfit to give it like a little hint of Disney magic. All right, next up, I actually have 2 items that came in my Mickey monthly, but I really wanted to show them to you guys because they're so pretty, and they're also jewelry pieces. So first, this is from Pixie Dust Provisions, but like I said, I got it in my Mickey monthly bag, and it is a monorail necklace, but then there's 2 little Mickey cutouts. Super adorable. I can't wait to wear this, especially at like Magic Kingdom or Epcot. I feel like would be so cute. So yeah, Pixie Dust Provisions. I need to check out what other jewelry they have because so cute. And then last but certainly not least, oh wait, this is a pin. Never mind. Yes, okay, this also came in one of my Mickey monthlies, so random, but it is this little Merida pin, and I don't really collect Merida, so I'm going to give it to my friend Shelby who does collect Merida, but she's so super cute. She's like a little cutie pie Merida, so super fun. I wonder, is this Disney official? Oh yeah, it says it's Disney official from 2017, so super duper cute, and if she doesn't love it, she can always trade it. So yes, that is everything that I have bought recently from Boxlunch, or I guess Amazon or Mickey Monthly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and hit that big red subscribe button down below to come hang out with me more on the channel. I'll also leave my Instagrams over here. I do a lot of Disney content, and my ear shop as well, where I sell mini ears like these ones, is over here for you as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, that's everything, I think. It's time for me to go see Doctor Strange, and I'm so excited about it. So I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you have a good one, and yeah, bye.